Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw something super cute, super beautiful, little cute fishes. And here's a tiny funny story for your entertainment purpose. Okay? In a calm ocean lived two little fishes. One was super talkative and the other one just loved to swim quietly. One day they said, "Let's wear Zentangle design like fancy clothes and look extra stylish." So now they are swimming around, showing off their beautiful patterns and waiting for you to draw them. Okay, today we will draw these lovely couple fish step by step, super easy and super colorful. So grab your pencil, paper and colors and let's dive into the ocean of creativity together.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
And tada! Guys, we did it. Our colorful Zentangle couple fish are almost ready, swimming together happily like the cutest ocean couple ever. They are saying thank you for giving us such a beautiful colors and designs. Now we are the most stylish fish in the sea. If you like this drawing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and tell me in the comment what we should draw next. Okay guys, see you in the next fun video. Till then, keep smiling, keep drawing and let your creativity swim free. Bye bye. Bye bye.